So we had to fix it. See what happens, Dad.
You want me to pull the rope?
See if it'll start first.
Okay.
No fuel pump?
Did it turn on?
No.
Okay. Did it?
Yeah. You got your rope all set up. How do you pull? How do you do that? Do you pull your rope? Yeah, that works the bat. It's hanging a little bit low. You might pull. Yeah, if you could take some slack out of it.
Okay.
A little bit more. All right, there you go. That'll give you enough room. You can still probably pull it and hit it if you had to. Hopefully you don't hit any road debris. Pull your mirror off. All right, Dad, I love you. Be safe. I trust it. It'll be fine.